So is it just me, or do you hate when people are Facebook Lives and everything's backwards? I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. So this morning I'm scrolling through Facebook, checking out what I'm getting ready to do for the day, getting ready to go to work. And I come across my buddy, my boy, Russell Brunson. He's the owner of ClickFunnels. He wrote this book. His buddy wrote this book, and he's talking about his new book, which is Traffic Secrets, and he's showing it like this. You know, this is his other book, Expert Secrets. He's talking about it. It's backwards. Does that drive you crazy? Because it drives me crazy. It's a short trip for me. He's even talking about, he had a shirt on. He was talking about a shirt. It shows backwards. In my opinion, if I'm going to work that hard on branding, pay people to design these things, have a design t-shirt, I want people to see my branding the way I want it. Now, I'm wondering if Russell knows something I don't know, and if he's tested that backwards makes a difference. I don't know. It drives me crazy. So if it drives you crazy, I'm going to show you how to fix it right now. When you're in Facebook Live, getting ready to go live, before you actually go live, down here in the bottom corner is a little magic wand. You click on that, and there's a couple of buttons right here that flip it vertically or flip it horizontally. All you got to do is click that button. Voila. We can read. You can talk. See my shirt? Cher-u-bini. That's how you say it. So this is Pat Cherubini. I hope that helps. If it drives you crazy, take 1 extra second to click. Oh, now it's backwards. See how that works? Click the button. I can't even do it now. Click that button to flip it horizontally. That way, when you set your stuff up, you got your books, you can see stuff, you can read it. You can read your shirt. It looks like you're driving on the correct side of the car. That's another one that drives me crazy. So hopefully this helped. If you have any more questions, you can just hit me up in the comments, and look forward to seeing my next video. Have a great day.